Good evening, you're over To The Point, and I'm Preeti Chaudhary, and we begin this edition of To The Point with the latest news break coming in. There's been a bit of talk, viewers, we've seen of the Singapore strain, which allegedly is affecting children. After reports that the Singapore variant is impacting kids where coronavirus is concerned, the Health Ministry has now responded to this development, saying that the government has a host of protocols in place for children. The Health Ministry also says that we have trained pediatrics and are constantly monitoring the situation. Singapore has warned that the new virus strains infect more children and has shut schools. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal just a short while ago had requested the central government to stop flights from Singapore immediately, keeping in mind how this particular virus strain impacts children a lot more, which he called the Singapore strain. Let's listen in to all the reactions that are coming in.
हम लोग वी आर एग्जामिनिंग ये जो रिपोर्ट जिसको आपने रेफर किया है, उन्होंने किस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट का कहा है उसके बारे में ऑथेंटिक बात इंफॉर्मेशन होगी रादर दैन फ्रॉम अनकन्फर्म्ड सोर्सेज, उसका जवाब देंगे। लेकिन जो बच्चों में कोविड का प्रभाव है उसके बारे में मैंने कोशिश करी कि मैं आपको क्लियर करूं व्हाट इज नोन and how to respond to it, how we have the protocol, we have awareness, we have trained pediatricians, we have had webinars directed at child related COVID disease and so on. और in a way it is also reassuring कि बच्चों में serious disease नहीं होती, simple तरीके से ही वो फैलाए नहीं infection, ये एक part है, और simple treatment पैरासीटामोल वगैरह से ही उनका इलाज हो जाता है।
All right, viewers, let me quickly encapsulate this latest news break that has come in. There has been word on the Singapore variant, which impacts children more. The Chief Minister of Delhi had also tweeted out a short while ago suggesting that the government should stop flights from Singapore because this strain, which is the Singapore strain, impacts children more. The Health Ministry has now has said that everything is in place to combat any possible implication which might involve children where coronavirus is concerned. You just heard that reaction there. We're going to continue to follow that story, continue to break it down on what exactly is the Singapore virus. Is it more harmful to children? We're going to get you all that information through the course of these many hours right here on India Today. Let's now quickly shift focus to our top focus story on To The Point. Toolkits are back in the news. We've heard about toolkits before, highly controversial. This time around, the BJP insists that the Congress has circulated a toolkit in the times of coronavirus to defame Prime Minister Modi and this government. What exactly went?
Social media volunteers can call it Modi strain. This is an opportunity to destroy his image and erode his popularity.
A toolkit is back in the news once again. This time, the BJP claims a Congress pandemic toolkit is attempting to tarnish India's image. BJP has alleged that the Congress put out a toolkit for its workers with a single point agenda, that of defaming Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
टूलकिट के माध्यम से एडवाइस दिया जा रहा है कार्यकर्ताओं को कि क्या करना है, खास करके सोशल मीडिया के कार्यकर्ताओं कि सोशल मीडिया में क्या डालना है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदीज इमेज को लेकर एक कॉलम बना है और उसमें क्या लिखा है? द अप्रूवल रेटिंग्स ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी हैज बीन हाई and have not dipped despite crisis and mismanagement. This is an opportunity to destroy his image and erode his popularity.
The BJP highlighted this alleged toolkit, which mentions that the mutant strain should be referred to as the Indian strain or the Modi strain. It also makes a mention of using images of bodies and funerals with the help of foreign media.
Use the phrase Indian strain wherever talking about the new mutant. Social media volunteers can call it Modi strain. जो निर्णय WHO में भी हुआ है उसके विपरीत जाते ये कह रही है कि आप उसको इंडियन स्ट्रेन बुलाइए और तो और उसे मोदी स्ट्रेन बुलाइए।
Congress, however, has outrightly dismissed the toolkit that the BJP has now made public. Congress's Rajiv Gowda has also threatened legal action, saying that they would file an FIR to expose BJP's lies.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चाहिए कि जिम्मेदारी के साथ काम करे। अभी जितनी कैबिनेट मीटिंग्स हुई हैं, किसी में कोरोना की चर्चा नहीं हुई। इससे बड़ा टूल किट कुछ हो नहीं सकता।
Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, viewers, in the time of coronavirus right now, where we are recording the highest death toll today, which we have done so, politics continues, collateral the citizens. This time around, the BJP insists that the Congress is trying to circulate a toolkit which is trying to malign the reputation of this country and our Prime Minister. To take it from here, I want to cut across to our panel. I have Gopal Krishna Agrawal from the Bharatiya Janata Party. In just about a short while, I'll be joined by Aman Panwar of the Congress as well. Mr. Agrawal, what is this toolkit that you're insinuating? Because the Congress says it's fake. They're going to file for defamation. What is the toolkit that, as per the BJP, the Congress is circulating?
The thing is very clear. That is now in the public domain. The BJP has also released from various social handles. And it is not only what is mentioned in there. It is being seen on the ground. The way Congress, Karyakartas, leaders, etc. are acting on it, it clearly shows that this toolkit was there to guide them what to do. Even we have seen that people like Dalai Lama were trolled for supporting and donating in the PM cares. What they have to do with politics? The way the Western media, global media was after India, and the Congress and their supporters, intellectuals, were feeding them, giving them questions, what was the problems, and ultimately the worst part is calling it Modi strain, which even WHO has refrained. So the thing is, the whole narration, if you see in the last 1 month, the thing on the ground shows that the Congress actions on the ground matches what is being said in the toolkit. You see PM care funds, ventilators being completely put in the Punjab and Rajasthan, the way they were put into use.
Sir, tell me something. I'll ask you 2 questions.
Yeah.
Mr. Agrawal, sir,
Yes.
I'll ask you 2 questions. Number 1, the media has been raising questions about the PM Care Fund. The media is raising questions about ventilators. Are you suggesting the media is also following the Congress toolkit? What is your source?
No.
I want to ask you seriously, sir. What is your source of this toolkit? What this allegation is substantiated from where? Where have you picked up the toolkit from?
The toolkit has been picked up from the social media because the Congress has released it. The Congress has shared with different people from their party. From there only it is coming. And on the ground it is very well showing. We are not saying that nobody can question the government.
Sir,
Everybody
you have picked
can
up.
question.
No, I want to ask you, sir. It's a grave allegation.
Yeah, so
Sir,
then
it's a very grave
finally
allegation. You are
it
saying
is the
you
legal.
have picked up this
if the
toolkit from
Congress,
social media. Hear me out. Sir, hear my question. Hear my question.
Yeah.
Hear my question. My question is, you have said this toolkit has been picked up from social media and you are alleging the Congress is behind this toolkit. So your party has picked this toolkit from social media. Is that your source of allegation, social media?
No, everybody is getting this toolkit and the social media. It is circulating, and the ground level actions by Congress is matching what is being said. Who is calling Modi strain? Demean Modi at every stage. What names they have been calling, and why? The thing is about PMK trolling. There are so many questions. We are not saying the media cannot question. Congress can question. You see, it is written that you write letters to the Prime Minister and see how one leader after another Congress is writing. The way they are talking about the Central Vista, that call it Modi's Awas. The
Sir,
way
tell me
everything
something.
is being.
Sir, okay, tell me something, sir. Today itself, and our report also showed it, that after Sambit Patra talked about this toolkit, at least 12 of your ministers have talked about how the Congress is using a toolkit. Now you're saying, is this also a toolkit of the BJP to malign the Congress? Because by social media standards, how you picked it up, this could also be interpreted the same way.
No, it was officially released by our spokesperson Sambit Patra in the social media, and we were feeling the same thing
Okay.
on the ground that there is a clear-cut narration to undermine even India. The Congress can undermine, talk about, criticize the government, but by fake news, even the way you see the PM cares ventilators have not been used in. Is there any answer from Congress leader about that? What happened to those PM cares ventilators by Punjab government? They said there are clear-cut report, investigation, everything is showing that those ventilators are fine. They have been not used properly. They
Sir,
have been just lying.
sir, here-
so
okay,
what
hear
is
me
the
out,
answer
hear me out.
Congress is?
Sir, I'm going to bring in Aman Panwar also in this conversation, but you talk about the PM care ventilators. Sir, I was in Firozabad 6 days ago. 67 ventilators from the PM CARES funds have been lying, gathering dust for 1.5 years. I'm not using any toolkit, let me tell you that. It was a report
Yeah.
that we had filed. So there is a question
Yes.
being raised. Having said that, I want to bring in, sir, you've raised points. I want to bring in Aman Panwar as well from the Congress. Mr. Panwar, is there a toolkit that you're circulating which is trying to malign this government? Is there a toolkit that you're circulating which is calling the coronavirus the Modi strain? Is there an attempt to circulate fake news?
Preeti, firstly, I must tell you that not just as the spokesperson, but also the lawyer who drafted the complaint, we have filed a complaint before the Commissioner of Police Delhi alleging that our letterhead was forged by Mr. Sambit Patra and other functionaries of the BJP to create this entire controversy which never existed. There were contents that were printed on the research department letterhead of the Congress party, which Mr. Sambit Patra, Smriti Irani, etc., said that this was a toolkit. Now, why is the BJP-controlled Delhi police not registering an FIR and doing investigation to find out who actually created this fake toolkit, who forged these documents, and conduct an investigation, arrest those people, take into custody those computers,
Mr. Panwar,
those
sir.
devices which were...
Okay.
Yes. Secondly, let me just complete.
Sir,
These type of
sir, I'll come in.
toolkits
Okay.
emerge out,
Okay, yes, make your point.
every time, and the BJP comes out with these toolkits. It came out during the farmers' protest. It came out when the students were protesting. They said that they have a toolkit. And sometime back, when the media also had raised its voice, they came out that BJP came out and said that there is a toolkit which is
Preeti.
being circulated to defame the government. Now the
No, okay,
the
one
truth-
second.
the
Mr. Panwar,
reality
Mr.
here is-
Panwar, Mr. Agrawal is saying,
Yes.
now hear me out, hear my question. Sir, hear my question. Mr.
Yes.
Agrawal is saying it is not the letterhead, it is from social media that this toolkit has been picked up. And importantly, it is resonating on ground by the actions of the Congress. That is what Mr. Agrawal is saying.
So, all right, yes. So, raising questions about the Central Vista, they say the media has been raising questions. Just yesterday, the Delhi High Court was hearing a petition to halt the work on the Central Vista project. So, is Mr. Agarwal saying that even the Delhi High Court is following the toolkit, a supposed fake toolkit which has been created by the BJP? Now, tell me this: people who are not able to get essential medicines, people who are not able to get beds in hospitals, people who are not able to get oxygen, are they following the Congress's toolkit? You want to turn a complete blind eye towards the apathy these people are facing, and to divert attention from the real issues, you say that we have created a toolkit. This is what you have been doing in the past also. Have some shame.
Mr. Panwar, you
Apologize
made
to
your
the
point.
nation that your
Sir,
government
I'd
was
like to go.
completely absent.
Okay, let's not get into rhetoric. You've made your point. Mr. Panwar, I am going to come in right now. You've made your point. I'm going to cut across to your counterpart. Yes, Mr. Agrawal, please respond.
The thing is, Preeti, whether there is a toolkit or not, is Congress leadership and Karyakartas doing this, amplifying the anti-India narration or not? Are they not using
Exposing
it?
the
Modi strain?
government is not
No,
anti-India.
let me. I did not interfere between you.
Exposing
I want to go
thing
one
is
by one,
exposing
sir.
or misleading
Can I just get Mr. Agrawal? Mr. Panwar, Mr. Panwar, do not embarrass me by putting your mic off. You've had your chance. I'll come back to you. Mr. Agrawal, complete.
So Preeti, we must ask Congress, is there action on the ground about calling it an Indian strain, Modi strain? is not being implemented? Is that their action on trolling people who are donating to PM cares, like even Dalai Lama, is their leadership and their supporters not trolling them? So these are the ground. They are calling it Modi strain. They are writing letters to the PM. They are even about questioning
Okay.
about the
Sir, what is wrong?
pictures.
Sir, okay,
But the
I want to, okay, Mr. Agrawal. Sir, you said
Yeah,
whether there is
wrong
a,
is-
I'll tell you what, I'll ask you.
Huh.
You said whether there is a toolkit or there is no, hear me out, sir, hear me out. You said whether there is a toolkit or there is no toolkit. The fact is you have said there is a toolkit. Secondly, writing letters to the Prime Minister, I would reckon the opposition is allowed to write letters to the Prime Minister.
Yes,
And
yes.
ultimately, what is resonating on ground, I would reckon if the Congress could actually make things resonate on ground, then the Congress wouldn't be where it is and you wouldn't be where you are.
No, but calling it Indian strain and Modi strain, talking about this house being constructed for Modi ji.
Sir,
The thing are very serious.
sir, have a thicker skin. Have a thicker
No.
skin. What is the big deal?
We are also
Have a thicker skin.
exposing Congress.
You're the government of the
We
day. Have a
are
thicker
exposing the Congress intention. We are exposing the Congress intention. If they are doing this, we are exposing it. They have a political agenda. They are exposing the thing same thing happened with the vaccination. Same thing
Sir,
happened.
their political agenda is to expose the... Sir, one second.
Rahul
One
Gandhi
second.
tweeted
I want
one
to
thing,
bring in
one
Mr.
question.
Panwar. Their political
question.
agenda...
Yeah.
Please,
Rahul
yes,
Gandhi tweeted.
yes.
Rahul Gandhi
Go ahead,
tweeted
sir.
that all ventilators are bad. All ventilators are missing. All 50,000 ventilators are missing. So, is this the way they want to support the government on the pandemic? Is this the way they want to fight the pandemic? So, the thing they have to answer. Why even WHO is saying that we will call
Sir.
it by a scientific name.
Sir,
They are calling it Modi strain. The thing is, they are questioning PM cares. Those people who
Sir,
are
then,
support.
one second. Sir,
Preeti, can I come in?
Sir. Sir, I've had you on my show call the coronavirus the Chinese Wuhan virus. Haven't you done so, sir? Having said that, I don't want to get into, this is not the debate. The fact is, the opposition is supposed to bait the government. But, Aman Panwar, are you trying to spread fake news? By trying to, at this point of time, this time of pandemic, this time of an acute crisis, you're trying to inject fake news in the system is what the BJP is alleging.
See, Preeti, what happens is that every time the government is shown the mirror, they come back, they try to bite you, they try to silence you. About a month back, Dr. Manmohan Singh had written to Prime Minister Modi asking him to completely make transparent the vaccination process, the statistics with respect to COVID deaths, the numbers with respect to the rising cases, etc. And what happened? What did we get in return? We got a stinking letter from the health minister. We wrote a letter again. Mrs. Sonia Gandhi wrote a letter to the Prime Minister. Who responds back? JP Nadda ji responds back. Please, sir, don't interrupt me. Now tell me this. Had the BJP channelized its energy rather than exposing us, rather than concocting controversies and fake letters and fake toolkits attributing it to the Congress, had you channelized your energy to help the people on ground, people would not have been waiting outside Shamshan Ghats, outside Kabristans. This is the tragedy that India is facing. That the leading political party of this country is channelizing its entire energy to somehow save the face of the Prime Minister. That is not your job. Your job is to help
let's
the
not
people.
get into
You have the
rhetoric.
resources.
Okay, you made your point. Mr.
Your
Agrawal.
job is to help the people.
Mr. Panwar, sir, you made your point. Please, can I get...
Please, you gave him enough time. Please give me some time as well.
Okay, sir,
you
you
gave
made
Mr.
your point.
Agarwal enough time.
Make your point.
Now, tell
Make
me,
your point.
as far as the ventilators are concerned, the government hospitals in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, both states ruled by the BJP, those government hospitals have been writing to the central government that the PM care ventilators are not functioning. Are those government hospitals and their medical department controlled by the Congress? Are people who are lining up to get vaccination and not getting?
Sir,
people
you made your point.
who are lining up to get remdesivir injections and other essential medical supplies, Are they being motivated by the
Mr.
Congress?
Panwar, you
Have
okay?
some
May I,
shame.
may I,
What
sir?
are you
May I go
saying?
back for a, sir? May I go back? Okay, Mr. Agrawal, do come in.
Preeti, the question is, the toolkit mentions that how you have to block the bets, how you have to operate in the social media,
There is
those
no
who
toolkit.
tweet with your tag, then those who tag with you with your tag, they support them, help them. Is this the way they want to work in the pandemic? And has he
Preeti,
answered at all
why don't they
anybody from the
investigate?
Congress?
Sir, they are
or
saying
the
there is no toolkit.
whether there is a
Investigate. We have
toolkit or
asked the
not,
Delhi police to
the
register
action
an
on the
FIR.
ground shows that there is a concerted effort by the Congress to demean the Prime Minister, demean the
Sir, action by who
BJP.
on the ground?
That is the most important
Mr.
thing
Agarwal.
that they want to do at
Congress
this
Mr.
time.
Agarwal, action by
Congress-
who?
Image building from
One
for
second.
Prime
Congress
Minister. Image
leaders
building
and
for
Congress
Prime Minister is all
Karyakartas and
that they
Congress
care.
office bearers. They have not answered a
only
single
care that
question on
somehow glorify
does the
Mr.
Chief
Modi
Minister answer about
into a godly
the
figure.
ventilators. No,
You don't
Rahul
care
Gandhi
about what the
tweets
people of this
this.
country are
Rahul Gandhi
facing.
tweeted that
Have
the
some
ventilators
shame.
are missing.
Have some
Sir,
shame.
let's not-
Stop this
50,000.
PR exercise. Stop this image building for the Prime
Okay,
Minister.
I'm gonna.
for
This
some
is why
time
my
and
Where is
tell
the
the
question
image
people
matched.
what
building?
he-
Mr. Panwar. All right. Okay, I'm gonna bow out of this debate because this is gonna be once again where nobody's gonna hear either of our panelists. Appreciate you both for joining us. Now, is there a toolkit? The Congress says there is no toolkit. The BJP spokesperson said yes, there is a toolkit. You can see it on social media on the action that is permeating on ground. But if there was an effect of a Congress toolkit in ground, would the Congress be where it is and the government, the current incumbent government of the day, be where it is? We leave it for our viewers to decide. We're going to keep a keen eye on all developments on the possibility of this toolkit being real or not. Thank you for joining us. Up next is Rahul Kanwar.